What's going on, everyone? Iron Eagle here. Just wanted to make a quick recap about today's action. Today's is Monday, 20, 22 June 2026. We have a short setup on, on YM. As I said in the pre-market preparation, I like YM the best because it was bear market and short into, you can call it day 2 or day 3 resistance. The previous day was just a holiday and it just worked perfect with Anzo the extreme level. We had confluence with the 12-hour and 8-hour levels. It hit 260. I shorted there, risking 60 points. I could short 40 points, but I prefer to be in the trade rather than having the best price and miss the move. Definitely this trade required a lot of patience. It took almost 9:36. We had almost 40 minutes around the same price, and I just trusted the system. I typically trail when I have a big bar going into my direction like this one. Then it started going down, held the opening price and answered the extreme level from the 8-hour, and it hit the 3-hour target 180 points, but I was looking for 960, 950, a 6-hour trade, because this was a tight setup, but the market was slow, and we should apply patterns to the right market, and we can see here it had previous day a floor support, strong support, and another support here. Then and this the 16 minute wasn't that much blasting to the downside. Then it held almost the upper, it held this trend line, and I exited at the double bottom here. I should work a little bit more on predicting before it reaching the levels. I got lucky having this double bottom. Maybe in other cases I won't have this double bottom and just miss the 3R. Currently there is a lot of uncertainty in the market, and just take the 3R and that's it. You can see here it just bouncing. On the RTY, the Russell, we had I didn't like shorting it because I was looking at the lower time frame, and you can see here it was grinding up. Then we had a failed higher high setup around under the extreme level from the 12 hours, which made it just a perfect setup for someone that good at this setup. I just don't like looking at something like this, but it rejected 3040 and just went down to the Anzo extreme level here. It was a perfect textbook. You can short for 6 points and targeting 30 40 points for 5 6 hour depending on the stop. Definitely you don't want to go like for a home run here. You have a breakout line here, and then we have ES. I didn't like shorting because Monday ES is has the strongest day. On the first 15 minutes, it just had in the first 15 minutes in Monday, ES has like 60-70% to close green. Then I just didn't like shorting it, but it was like the weakest and just faded much more than YM. You can see here it almost the same setup here held, and here didn't, because here we had like the support here was much lower, but here it was much higher. But I also didn't like shorting it, not just because it has the strongest day to go up on Mondays, but also like the levels here on the 12 hour there wasn't a level here. We had on the 8 hour, which worked as a zone. We rejected this 7,590 and just dropped down to the next level. Okay guys, you can see here I made almost I made actually 3 hour, but because of the commissions it a little bit less. Okay guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching.